Hey guys, welcome to something new, and today we're going to be checking out the new update. The weather is usually cold this time of year, before it's heating up. An active volcano has emerged, but I can hear the lava bubbling over the eruptions of laughter. Check out the shop to grab the fun handle. And he installs cosmetics to look hotter than ever. Exclusive VR cosmetics will be in the city for 24 hours, all hours starting on September 23rd, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Help us make history. Yeah. Okay. What? There's a volcano. Wait, so I have heard that you've got a... Oh, yeah. Well, what happens if we fill it up? That's what I want to know. Oh, keep filling it. Keep filling it. Don't let it sink. Oh, gosh. Wait, what? Oh, whoa! Alright. Hey. Wait, what's going on? Oh! Oh, the lava! There's lava. Outrun it! Ah! Whoa! Yo, that is... Ah! That's insane! Wait, what about the big volcano? Oh wait, is that big volcano there? Oh, look! It's there! Oh my gosh, look! I think there's also new cosmetics. New cosmetics! Also, I've already bought one of those cosmetics, but I've never seen the forest map. What, dude? This is insane. It looks so bright. It looks like it's literally RTX shaders on. Okay, so you don't have to be careful like right here, but then like it gets really intense here. It's like... It's kind of like the update. This update is crazy. It is like, that's insane! Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, but tomorrow is where the real stuff comes in. This is where the real stuff comes in. Okay, first, wait. Wait, it kind of looks like 3D. Alright, so tomorrow there's going to be a thing called the VR. And basically we're trying to get 200,000 players online. Which means we're trying to get that much players online tomorrow. And also, there's going to be exclusive cosmetics for 24 hours. Which means tomorrow, make sure you log on, make sure you get on Gorilla Tag and buy the cosmetics. Yeah, it hasn't been determined on how much these are. Okay. Hasn't been determined how much these cosmetics are, but you should. Huh? Oh, this music is fire! Yo, fire! That's insane. Wait, what? Wait, is it falling? Oh, wait, no, it's rising down. Oh. Okay. Just gotta keep it hydrated, though. Gotta keep it hydrated. Alright, so tomorrow, wait, what's gonna happen in the mountain? So tomorrow, we're trying to get this many players online. Okay? And you better be there on tomorrow. Okay. Wait, what's gonna happen in mountains if it's always hot? Will mountains just be like unfrozen and be like its true form? A lot. Okay, let's see. Probably nothing gonna happen. So mountains is pretty much normal. Oh, I did hear that you will freeze in cash. What the? I did hear that that you would freeze in casual lobbies, but I don't know if that's true. Alright. Okay, guys. Alright, so you've got all of these cosmetics. Let's go try them on. Go. Alright, first we've got the volcano mug. Oh yeah, this is actually cool. Yeah, lava. Got the cool. You can cool down when you're hot. Got a lighter. Do not try this at home, okay? Do not try this at home. Okay, do not try this at home. Okay, do not try this at home, okay? So, wait, imagine if someone's like this. So, okay, guys, I'm going to show you a magic trick, but do not try this at home. Just like the camera's like. What? Okay, got the rings. We'll put in here just. Okay, got this the badge, which is actually free. Got this. Woo, protect you from the lava. Got this. Got this. Ooh, this kind of looks like the Back to the Future guy. You got the gloves. Got this. Got this. Wait, put all these together. By the way, you got the helmet. Got this. Got this. Yeah. Okay, try set 2. Also, they added a really cool slingshot, which is very nice. So, also, we're gonna check out this bonus. Dang it! All right. Next, you got this. Very cool. Wait, what? Wait, does this throw peppers? That's pepper. Got the hat, a fall hat. Got this, very nice. Got this to break the molten. Okay, we've got this bird. Oh, it's so cool. I want to eat it. Ah! Okay, but anyways, this bird actually this bird is sick. This little guy is sick. Like, imagine you're just eating food, like, oh my gosh. I just want to eat it. Alright, anyways, hot pepper. Very nice. It's actually just weird stuff. I'm gonna regenerate it. Like, so nice. Actually, no. It's like, alright, you've got this. Very nice. And you've got this here. Do not try this at home. Alright. The time spent my almost honey ball. Okay. But I'm wondering if you can get in that volcano. One of the outrups. So it's pretty dark out. Let's go make it brighter. Dave. Alright. Dave the Bano. Huh? Alright, he's erupting again. Oh my gosh! It erupted again. Oh no. So guys, yeah, that's the volcano update. I rated this a 4 out of 5. I rated this a 4 out of 5 stars. This is excellent. This is excellent. Doug, no! Doug is about to catch on fire. I gotta risk my life. Get him! No, Doug! No! Doug. Alright, good, Doug. Alright, so this is the update. I think it's really, really good. So make sure you like, subscribe down below. And make sure to share this video so we can get more views. Make sure to like, subscribe down below. By the way, tomorrow you better be there, okay? Be here or be square.